What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I just wanted to basically get your guys' opinions on which setup you'd like to see on this car. I'm pretty much leaning towards a turbo setup, whether it's single or twin, but obviously, you know, I'm not made of money, so I'm gonna do whatever I can afford, and that just makes more sense to me. So I'd love to go twin turbo kit on this. It would be my first turbo car. I've had tons of blower setups on, you know, my previous cars, and I love superchargers. You know, they're great, they're awesome, but I just want to try something different. I think the twin turbo with the 10R80 would be an absolute monster, but I'm worried about reliability issues. I always hear, you know, a bunch of horror stories about turbos, you know, just constant maintenance, which isn't a huge problem for me, but I just, you know, I want something I could get in and enjoy and just start up, let it warm up, and then go. The blowers have always given me that great reliability, so I don't know. I'm leaning towards a nice ProCharger D1X on here. I feel like that should make 800 wheel very easily. Maybe not on pump gas, but I plan on running ethanol in here once the fuel system's up to par. But you know, same thing with the turbo setup. 850 is kind of where I want to keep it. Obviously, I'm gonna have to throw, you know, upgraded clutches in the 10R80. But you know, I'll get there when when that problem arises. But for now, it's just, you know, gonna be a bone stock 10R80, bone stock engine, and just keep it, you know, keep it simple. I plan on doing a lot of roll racing with it, and definitely some drag racing. But there's some things I want to upgrade before I start making, you know, big power and take it to the track. So I'm gonna need to get rid of the 2-piece drive shaft. I'm gonna have to get a 1-piece, whether it's aluminum or carbon fiber. And then the suspension, obviously with the IRS, you want to take care of wheel hop issues. This way you don't break anything. And then the only thing really holding me back at that point from running a great time would be the stock converter. Stock converter in these things is actually pretty good, but with a laggy turbo setup, you're gonna want a nice converter to get you out of the hole with more RPMs instead of, you know, rolling into it and basically slowing your 60 foot down. And in drag racing, as you guys know, your 60 foot's everything. So, but yeah, I just want to see what you guys think. What would you like to see, single or twin turbo, or a nice centrifugal setup? I'm not opposed to the new Whipple setup either. The new Gen 5 3-liter Whipple is, you know, it's a beast on these cars, and it makes great power, and I'm sure it's very reliable. I actually had a Whipple on my 03 Cobra that I had, and it was great. It was very reliable, made great power, and drivability was amazing. So I'm not opposed to that either, but I really got a thing for the centrifugal blowers right now, and like I said, I've never had a turbo car, so I think it'd be a nice, cool experience. Just like I've never had an auto car. So this would be something totally different for me. And that's why I keep drawing back to it. But let me know what you guys think. I'm going to put a poll up here, and let me know what you guys think. But today I'm waiting for UPS to get here. As usual, I'm always waiting for them. But once they get here, I'm going to install a couple minor mods that I got for this thing from American Muscle. So I'll bring you guys along with me for that, and we'll see what's going on. Well, a lot of the stuff I was waiting for just came in. This is just a bunch of little dumb shit that, you know, I've been wanting for the car, and I just bit the bullet and said, screw it, I'll just order it anyway. But got these little paddle shifter extensions. They're actually real carbon, pretty badass looking. They feel great. Should look pretty good in the car. There's just 2-side tape on there. I'm just gonna throw that on there. I got the Ford Performance hood strut kit, because for some reason this thing still comes with a prop rod, and my 2008 Crown Vic Daily has hood struts from the factory. Go figure. But yeah, so I got some hood struts for this thing. Nice little touch. And I'm gonna install that. And more carbon fiber, because I am a carbon fiber junkie. I love it. But I got some carbon mirror caps that I'm also going to install. Should look pretty cool. Just nice little touches. Nothing crazy, nothing major yet. That's all coming, but I'm going to jump into the install. Here they are, just under some better light. They actually look really, really good, and you really can't beat it for the price. But these are just covers. I'm gonna put the two-side tape on the inside, and then stick them over top, and should look really good. These are made by MMD. They actually make some really nice stuff for Mustangs, carbon fiber accessories and things like that. These are too, so pretty cool. These should do until I get a nice carbon steering wheel for the car. But I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro head mount and get these on. All right, I'm gonna start with these mirror covers. I'm gonna start by cleaning the mirrors off, making sure get the oils and stuff off, prep it up real nice so the two-side tape sticks really nice. So get that off. There we go. Nice and clean. And then start doing the two-side tape. All right. Put a nice long piece right here. All right, got all this tape on there. Looks pretty good. Should stick nice. This looks like it's for the passenger side. I'm gonna start with the driver's side since I already cleaned it. Now I just gotta take this tape off.
2 hours later.
All right, guys, so I got all the two-side tape stuff off and it's on and ready to be installed on the car. Guys, got them both installed. They look really, really good. Look good with all the other carbon I plan to add on this thing in the future. Hell yeah. Let's check the driver's side out. Very nice. Fits really good. I still got the turn signal in the mirror. Cool, so that'll work. Another shout out to UPR. Still got the catch can on here. Everything's working great. Everything's looking good. JLT intake looking good as well. We'll get her there. We'll get her there. All right, I'm gonna put these paddles on, and then I'm gonna jump to the strut kit. That's a little bit more involved. Nothing too crazy, but I just want to see how these things look. All right, just gonna clean the paddle off. Get any grease on there and oils or whatever. Then same thing with this. Got the two-side tape in the hole where I like it, and I just gotta peel the red off and mount it up. This is always the worst part for me. I can never get this shit off. And that's it. Hopefully it stays on there, but it feels really good. Looks good too. Let's do the other side. Put some light on it from the phone. Looks really good. And it goes with the carbon stuff I got from carbon-addons.com. If you guys want some of this stuff for your Mustang, make sure you check them out too. They make some really good stuff. All real carbon. Stuff installs very nice. And these paddles just look sick. Easy, simple mod. Like I said, sometimes they're the best ones. All right, let's jump on these hood struts. All right, let's take everything out of the box. These are really nice struts. Say Ford Performance on them. So you know it's pretty good stuff. And there it is. No more stupid prop rod. I'm gonna take this thing off, matter of fact. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I tried to put as much stuff together as I could, try to make it good. But those are just some small mods I wanted to install. Bigger stuff coming soon, obviously, but I hope you guys like this video. And stay tuned for more racing coming soon. I got a couple more runs lined up with this thing against some pretty cool cars, and my dog won't stop barking. But stay tuned. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks a lot.